Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious and interesting fish recipe, and it's fish kebab, which you can enjoy as a starter or as a side dish, and people who are not fond of fish will also love this recipe. So do try this recipe once, and now let's get started with the making of fish kebab. So here I have taken a Basa fillet cut into medium portions, and now we will season them with some salt, around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of lemon juice. We'll now coat the salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice well over the fish pieces, and we'll let them rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next, heat some water in a pan or karhai, and into this we will add the marinated fish pieces, and on medium flame we will boil them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they are soft and tender. And by now the fish pieces are boiled well, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a bowl. So our boiled fish pieces are soft and tender now. We'll mash them well. And now into this we will add 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes and mash them also so that they bind well with the fish. Alright. And now into this we will add some ingredients one by one. Here goes some chopped onions. Next goes 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Then here I have taken some spices. Some salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. This also goes into the bowl. And for binding, I've added 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can add roasted besan or gram flour. And finally goes 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Now mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our fish kebab mixture is ready now. We'll grease some oil on our palms. Now take some moderate amount of the fish mixture. Roll them to make balls and then slightly flatten them to give the shape of kebabs like this. And in the same way, I will make some more fish kebabs. So as you can see, my kebabs are ready, and now I'm going to shallow fry them. For that, heat some oil in a wide pan, and when the oil is hot, we will place the kebabs one by one. Keep the flame on medium. And on medium flame, we will shallow fry them until they turn deep golden brown from both the sides. After about 2 minutes, we'll flip the fish kebabs one by one and we'll fry for another 2 minutes until they are done from both the sides. And by now, our fish kebabs are ready, fried deep golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and arrange them in a serving plate. And here goes our delicious fish kebabs, which will just melt into your mouth. Enjoy them hot with some spicy green chutney. So friends, do try this recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care and stay safe.